Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and healthy out there. This is Dikshita Bhui and welcome to Top 10. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 10 best freelance websites to get remote freelance work in 2020. So let's get started. Do you ever feel this urge of doing something extraordinary in your boring life and growing yourself mentally? Do you have some skills which you think is your USP, or do you want to earn money without any investment just to check whether you are going great in that field or not? Or do you have some more time to brush up your skills and knowledge but don't know where to start from? So you are in the right place because this video is exactly for you. Freelancing is your way to go. So what is freelancing? Freelancing is providing your services to the companies who need a quick way to do their job. By doing this, you will be called a freelancer. You can provide your services by a means of many platforms, and the best part is that you don't need any investment. So I have got your back with the best freelancing job websites, and which I have broken down category wise. Also check the description below because I have attached all the links of the website which I am going to explain in the video. It's exciting when your bookworm friend announces his or her plan to be a writer. Rather than bombarding them with fancy pens and motivational reading, direct them to a comfort zone, the internet. These websites are a great resources and landing spots for future storytellers. One such website is Contena.com. Contena tops this section of best writing freelance jobs because of the sheer volume of well-paid jobs they have available for writers, editors, and content creators of all kinds. What I love most about Contena is that they feature tech publication, a sports writing position, photography focused content writing jobs, and seriously thousands of more opportunities across many industries doing freelance jobs for trustworthy companies. If you are an artist or a designer, the internet is the best place to show off your work, providing a wider audiences from potential clients to buddies and partners to work with. Your portfolio represents you and your work, so it needs to be just right and easily accessible by everyone. This site is set up in a bit of different format than typical freelance sites, but it does work in the design context. Clients publish a contest and designers submit their work as their application. The client chooses the design they like the best and the designer gets paid. However, it can be an excellent way to build up your portfolio at the beginning, and if you will be doing work anyway, it can be a great resource. One of the challenges that come in being a freelance web design or a developer is trying to keep up with all the latest design trends, technology, news, and everything else thrown up in between. So if you are a tech wizard and you are chomping at the bit, go to Gun.io at first. Gun.io is one of the best freelancing sites to have a presence because of how well they vet both companies that hire the freelancers and the remote developers applying to gigs on the platform. What's even greater is that most of the freelance jobs are filled in less than 48 hours, a win to both freelancers and clients. Whether you take photos of weddings, newborn babies, breaking news stories, travel destinations, freelance photography can be a rewarding career. Photographers have a tons of freedom and flexibility to choose with who they work with, what they work on, how they work, and when they work. Before you even start your work, you need to create a portfolio which you can create on thecreativeloft.com. It is actually a great destination for creatives seeking freelance jobs in variety of categories, ranging from photography to fashion, interior design, event planning, entertainment, music, and more. There are dozens of new photography gigs posted daily on the site, so keep a watchful eye out for something that looks like a good fit for you. Successful marketers stay up to date within their industry by committing themselves to continual learning. So, to help you stay current with the latest marketing trends, People Per Hour is the website you would love to use. This one is great for marketers as well as SEO folks and software engineers. People Per Hour takes care of just about everything in the process but only allows for 15 applications before charging. Browsing is free though, so totally worth it to send out some feelers and see if you think it's worth it. There are many benefits of hiring a virtual assistant. However, I feel the most important benefit is that they will save you time. Today, hundreds of companies have popped up to fill in the demand of the virtual assistant. So one such website is Belay.com.
Research, data entry, bookkeeping, answering aggravating emails professionally, virtual assistants can have all sorts of specialities that help their bosses not to tear their hair out. Belay is a company that offers virtual person assistant to work to their clients and it's always remote. So it's definitely worth it to check and see if they have any openings in your specialty.
Freelance video editing can be quite exciting and a financially rewarding career. Successful freelancers have the flexibility and the ability to choose which projects they have a hand in. Whether you are an experienced video editor or just starting off, these editing resources will give you a leg up in finding a freelance video editing work. For example, Behance.com. This is an equally great option for video editors. They post jobs regularly that you can apply for, and they make it easy to put together a great portfolio so your clients can come to you. The upside is that you don't have to sort through irrelevant jobs. Make sure you stand out, write a great application, and have a polished portfolio. In today's digital age, the sales process has completely changed. Buyers now use web to research, compare and buy products. So if you think you can educate someone with any product or service and you can attract and convert potential customers, then you really need to try your hands on these websites. One such website is ZipRecruiter. Many companies use ZipRecruiter for their job platforms to hire full-time talent. But did you know they also regularly post a large number of high-quality freelance jobs with opportunities to do part-time sales for top companies? You can earn anywhere from $500 to up to $10,000 per month with the right company, skill set and experience. As a contractor, that's compensated through a combination of part-time salary and commission on sales. Do you like helping people out, but driving to work and running around a store just doesn't seem like your thing? So online may be more your style. So you can try on these websites. One such website is We Work Remotely. As the name suggests, it provides all types of freelancer work. Freelance websites have a unique opportunity to access your gigs that you may not be able to land otherwise. They are also one top sites for hiring freelance talent, and once you gain the momentum, they could serve as a great way to quickly build your portfolio, providing you with various and creative projects. Fiverr is one such website. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. Fiverr serves as an e-commerce platform to freelancers and companies to sell their services by using their gigs. Gig is basically an advertisement of services. The pricing of gigs depends on how much a seller earns per completed task, starting from $5, hence the name. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page, which is Top10XO. When I post the top 10 content daily, I drum up new videos every Wednesday and Saturday till we meet